We're excited about that. And Don, we have birthdays in this month. You and I.
We do, and we're gonna kind of split our birthdays and share them. We're putting on a little party over at the patio at the Bakersfield Racket Club, inviting
yes.
friends, and it'll be fun.
And our big show coming up. You don't want to miss it. You're going to hear more about it in a little bit.
Right. We're gonna be. It's our birthday that we're gonna give things away. We're not gonna, we don't want to presents here.
We're going to give things away. July 17th, you'll hear more about it from Jeremiah, and he's sitting in studio today. So please visit us on Facebook.com. Open Up with Don and Tina. Like us on Facebook, because that's the way we will be drawing our winners. And we'll hear some more about that in a minute, though.
You bet.
Welcome, Jeremiah. Talk to us about the show and what fun things are coming up.
It's great to be here, Tina and Don. I'm excited because I hear there's going to be a celebration on Open Up July 17th at 10 a.m. There's only one place I want to be on all of the internet on July 17th at 10 a.m., and that's at Bakersfield.com, because we are going to be having a birthday celebration for the both of you here in the studio, and it's going to be exciting, fun. Really, it is really awesome that you two are going to be giving away birthday gifts on your birthday. That's
bet.
really wonderful. I'm excited about some of the gifts that include a one-night stay and dinner for two at the Marriott at the Bakersfield Convention Center and the Nines Restaurant. Also, our favorite pair on the air will be giving away a pair of movie tickets to the Maya Cinemas with concession gift certificates as well. Don's going to give away some books. Tina's going to give away some movies like Forks Over Knives. Also, there'll be gift baskets. We have some that may include something like this from Nature's Food Market and Juice Bar. So we're just really excited about this giveaway, and it's really simple to enter the drawing to win. All you have to do is Open Up on Facebook, and you will be entered to win a drawing. Now, you'll have to be listening to the show, and we'll give you instructions on how to win your prize, how to redeem your gift the day of. That's July 17th. And I hear, Don, there's actually going to possibly be some reggae music in the studio.
Happy birthday. I wanna help you celebrate. I wanna wish you lots of presents. I wanna help you eat your cake. If you party in the island way, you'll be jamming all night till the light of day. Your birthday is your day to shine. Another year and you'll be looking fine. So have no worries, don't you hesitate.